If you need help editing reviews created with WP Review, you may be looking for someone who knows WordPress, but sometimes it's hard to find someone, or they may charge you an amount you can't afford at the moment. To help you with that, we'll show you a quick and easy way to export all the reviews to a CSV file, so it can be edited in Excel or Google Sheets, and once ready, you can import it back into WordPress. We'll do this using the WP Sheet Editor plugin, which displays all your reviews in a spreadsheet within WordPress. With this plugin, you can do advanced searches for posts by keyword, category, tag, date, etc. In addition, you can bulk edit any of the fields of thousands of posts with a few clicks. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to visit our written guide. To create a CSV file containing all your reviews information and download it to your computer, you need to open the Export tool. Here, you have to select the columns you want to export. In this case, we'll export all active ones. We'll export the rows from the current search. Optionally, select the app you'll use to edit the CSV file. And download the file to your computer. After downloading and opening the CSV file, you'll see a document like this, and you'll be able to edit all the columns. After applying the changes or creating new reviews in our CSV file, you'll need to save the file if you're working with Excel, but in this case we'll have to download the file, since we've edited it with Google Sheets. Once the CSV file is ready, let's import it using the Import tool. Here, select the source of the document, in this case the computer. Choose the CSV file that you'll import. And hit Next. Select to import all the columns. Now select how you want to import the reviews. This is useful if you want to update and create, just update, or just create new reviews. In this case, we'll use the option Update Existing Items, and ignore New Items, since I only want to update existing reviews. Then you'll be prompted to enter a column from your CSV file and a WordPress field so that the new information can be entered correctly. In this case, we'll select Record ID here, and ID here. And click Next to go on. Now you'll see a preview of how the info will look imported, so click here and your import process will start. In a few seconds, all the information will be imported into WordPress. Definitely, WP Sheet Editor increases your productivity by allowing you to do advanced searches, apply massive changes, export, and import reviews with just a few clicks. Remember that in the video description you'll find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.